Ooh! Ooh! Decapitation! That was smexy. Oh, man. Got him, coach. That was awesome. How are you doing today, Ridley? It's good to see you, by the way, man. Really good to see you. Decap hype. I have to say, guys, really badass gaming is one of the reasons I decided to stream The Witcher 2 like a little over a year ago, year and a half ago. Hey, Lynx Panda. Welcome back, new mod. How are you, sir? Ooh, diagram. Gavin Elm. Torn out Kakatan decoration. Slow-mo decap. Oh man, it's amazing, dude. Ha! Thanks, gaming creature. Yeah, totally took these dudes out. That was awesome. Doing really awesome, Lynx. Really awesome, man. It's really good to have you in here, Ridley. Check it out, though. I'm getting like 70 FPS right now. I want to show you something. I need to restart the router? I'm connected through the router, sweetheart. And my phone is connected.
Mine did when I came back in here.
You want to try shutting off and shutting back on the Wii? Guys, I'm going to have to do a router reset and end stream for a moment. So, y'all give me a few minutes. We're having problems with the Wii U, and it won't connect to the network or something. Last I did this, I reset the router and it worked fine. So you guys should just hold on just a few minutes, please. I'm going to save the game, and I will relaunch stream in a moment. Make sure I save in 2 places. Is it saved in 2 places? Can I save it again? Okay, well, it's still saved. So anyway, give me a second, guys. I'm trying to get to where I can fucking disconnect from... There we go. Alright, be right back, everybody.